Hello, children. How are you all? I hope all of you are fit and fine at home. So, scholars, today we are going to start with a new chapter. Chapter number 7. And the name of the chapter is Keeping Healthy and Safe. Scholars, in this chapter, we will learn how we can keep ourselves healthy and safe by following some good healthy habits. So, scholars, before starting with the chapter, I would like all of you to open page number 48 and see this exercise given here. Draw a smiley for yes and a sad face for no in the given box. Few activities are given here. If your answer is yes, then you will draw a happy face, and if your answer is no, you will draw a sad face. So, see the first picture given here. Do you wash your hands before and after meals? Yes or no? Yes, we always wash our hands before and after eating meal. So we will draw a smiling face. Okay, see the next picture? Do you comb your hair every day? Yes, we comb our hair every day to keep ourselves neat and clean. So again we will draw a smiling face. Now see the third picture? Do you take bath every day? Yes or no? Yes, we should take bath every day because it helps us to keep our body clean. So we will again draw a smiling face. Okay, now see the fourth picture. Do you brush your teeth every day? Yes or no? Yes, we should brush our teeth every day and twice a day, in the morning and before going to the bed. So again we will draw a smiling face here. Okay, see the next picture? Do you eat healthy food? Yes or no? If you eat healthy food, then only draw a smiling face. And if you do not eat healthy food, you need to draw a sad face. Okay? Okay, next is, do you drink clean water? Yes, everybody of us drink clean water only. Nobody likes to drink dirty water. So again we will put a smiling face. Scholars, we can stay healthy only if we keep ourselves clean. A healthy mind lives in a healthy body. So scholars, what do you do to keep yourself clean? Yes, right. We use different objects to keep ourselves clean, like soap, towel, toothpaste, comb, etc. All these things keep our body, helps our body to keep us clean and healthy. Now, scholars, we will learn some very important ways how we can keep our body clean. There are different ways to keep our body clean. Some of them are, first is, brush your teeth twice a day. Scholars, to keep your teeth clean and healthy, you should brush them twice every day. Once in the morning and again at night before going to the bed. But scholars, do you know the proper way of brushing your teeth? First, brush your teeth at the back. Then brush up and down. And then brush at the back and front. This is the way how you should brush your teeth. Second way to keep our body clean is take bath daily. Scholars, we should take bath every day. with soap and water. It makes our body clean and healthy. Next is keep your hair clean. Scholars, to keep our hair clean, we should wash them with shampoo. Okay? We should comb our hair every day with a clean comb. Next, very important way to keep our body clean is always wear neat and well-ironed clothes. Scholars, clothes also make us look smart. And don't forget to put your dirty clothes for washing. Okay? Now, scholars, we will learn some very important ways to keep our body healthy. Okay? So, the first one is always eat fresh and healthy food. It is good for your health as it helps you to keep your body healthy. Second is drink 6 to 8 glasses of water every day. As I tell you every time, water is very important for us. It helps in proper digestion. So drink plenty of clean water every day. Third is always wash your hands with soap and water before and after eating your meals to keep your body healthy. Next is keep your nails short and clean. Cut your nails regularly, otherwise dirt will get stuck in them. This can go inside your tummy and can give you pain in your stomach. So cut your nails regularly, okay? So scholars, we need to be careful in our actions. If we are careful, we can save ourselves from getting hurt. Now scholars, let's learn some very important ways how we can keep ourselves safe from getting hurt. So scholars, here are some do's and don't to remember. So let's start with first point to remember is always get on or off our vehicle only when it has stopped. Second point is use sharp objects like scissor, knife, blade, etc. only when you are with an adult. Okay? Next is always follow traffic signals on the road. Now scholars, there are some points which you need to keep in mind to keep yourself safe. First point is do not touch electric wires. You can get a shock. It's very dangerous. So never touch the electric wires. Second point is do not touch electric switches and plugs. It is also very dangerous. So never touch electric switches and electric plugs. Third point is do not play with plastic bags. They are not toys, okay? Fourth point is do not play with fire. It can harm you or it can burn you. So, do not play with fire. Okay. Next point is, do not run or slide on the stairs. Otherwise, you can get hurt. And the last point is, do not run or play on a busy road to avoid any accident. So scholars, these were some of the ways how we can keep ourselves safe. If you are careful, you will be safe. So scholars, here we come to the end of chapter number 7. The worksheet and assignments related to this chapter is given in the link in the description box. Until then, stay home, stay safe. Thank you.